Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an instance in Figma. First, understand that components are the building blocks of your design system. An instance is essentially a copy of a main component, allowing you to reuse elements efficiently. When you modify the main component, all its instances automatically reflect those changes, saving you significant time and ensuring consistency across your designs. This powerful feature helps maintain a cohesive user interface. To begin, design the element you wish to reuse, such as a button, an icon, or a card. Once your design is complete, select it on your Figma canvas. You can then right-click and choose Create Component from the context menu, or use the keyboard shortcut, which is Command-Option-K on Mac or Control-Alt-K on Windows. This action transforms your selected element into a main component. Now that you have a main component, creating instances is straightforward. Open the Assets panel on the left sidebar and drag your component onto the canvas. Each time you drag it, you create a new instance. You can also select an existing instance and duplicate it using Command-D or Control-D. Remember, you can override properties like text or color on an instance without altering the main component. Using instances in Figma offers immense benefits. They guarantee design consistency, ensuring every element looks and behaves as intended throughout your project. This approach dramatically speeds up your workflow, allowing you to iterate faster and focus on user experience. Plus, if you're looking to optimize more than just your design process, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Mastering components is a key step towards efficient and scalable design.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.